Hello friend, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Digital Study, your true oil wizard. I am SN Hawk and today I will discuss the current affairs with static GK of 7 June. So friend, before starting this, please subscribe this channel and allow all notification to get remind of all my videos. So friend, the first question of today. Which department will launch its new e-filing portal? So friend, this portal is launched by option B, Income Tax Department of India. So when this portal is launched by Income Tax Department of India. Some information about this. According to the Finance Minister, the new taxpayer friendly portal has been inaugurated with immediate passing of income tax returns. So this is inaugurated for immediate passing of income tax. The new portal can be accessed through www.incometax.gov.in. So when we will go to the second question of the day. What is India's rank in International Hockey Federation? So this year India ranked 4th. That is option D, International Hockey Federation. The headquarters of Federation of International Hockey, that is FIG, is Lausanne, Switzerland. The president of it is Leandro Negre, very important, and it is founded in 7 January 1924. So when we will go to the third question of the day. Which tennis player withdraws himself from French Open? So the right answer of this question is option C, Roger Federer. So this year Roger Federer withdraws himself from French Open. 20 times Grand Slam champion Roger Federer said to the French Tennis Federation that he have to take rest for some time because he has a serious injury. Recently he has 2 serious knee injuries. So when we will go to the fourth question. India's best mega food park is inaugurated in which state? So this is inaugurated recently in option B, Chhattisgarh. Some information about this. It will give employment approximately 5,000 people. Very important. It is inaugurated by the Central Agriculture Minister to boost up agriculture across the country. So recent Central Agriculture Minister is Narendra Singh Tomarji. The Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel and the Governor of Chhattisgarh is Anusua Uike. Very important. So friend, today at 11 am a new batch has started. The name of the batch is Super 30 for West Bengal Police Constable and SI. So friend, those who are interested in this batch, please join this batch. So fifth question of the day. How many rupees has allocated by the Defence Minister to purchase of indigenous air defense guns and ammunition? So recently Indian Defence Minister has allocated 6,000 crore rupees. Some information about this. The Defence Acquisition Council DAC in its meeting chaired by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has approved the proposal. So when sixth question of the day. International Day of Innocent Child Victims of Aggression 2021 is celebrated on which date? So this is celebrated every year on 4th June. So option A is the right answer. It is celebrated every year to highlight the pain and suffering of children across the world. Many individual or organization every year celebrates differently this day. So when seventh question of the day. T.M. Kallanam Guandar, who has recently passed away, is related to which field? So he is a famous freedom fighter. So option C is the right answer. He is the former youngest member of Indian Constituent Assembly. So he was also a member of Indian Constituent Assembly. Very important. He served as the member of the Legislative Council of Tamil Nadu. So then we will go to the 8th and last question of the day. Which submarine of Indian Navy is going back from Russia? So India has leased a submarine to Russia. This is returning soon. The name of the submarine is INS Chakra. So option C is the right answer. Some information about this. Earlier Indian government got lease INS Chakra to Russian government. INS Chakra is a nuclear capable submarine. Very important. So this is coming soon in India. So then we will go to those questions which I provided you yesterday. What is the name of the capital of Philippines? The right answer of this question is Manila. Manila is famous for it is the headquarter of Asian Development Bank. Second question. Sumit Malik is related to which field? Sumit Malik is recently in news because he is banned from International Olympic Committee. So he is an Indian wrestler. Third question of the day. According to the Center for World University Ranking 2021-22, which institution of India is best? So the right answer of this question is IIM Ahmedabad. So when 3 questions of the day, which we will give answer through comment. So let's see who came first. The first question, who is the present Director General of WHO? That is World Health Organization. Second question, what is the name of the capital of Kenya? Third question, what is the theme for this year of World Environment Day? So then you will give the answer of this question through comment. So friend, if you like this class, please like this video. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel and allow all notification to get reminder of all my videos. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, that's all for today. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.